birthday. We go party like it's my birthday. It's currently 5 minutes past 12 right now. It's been 5 minutes since it's been my birthday. And I'm gonna be vlogging today, the whole day. So, what better way than start at midnight? Hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. And see you guys in the morning. You! What's up? What's giddy? What's giddy? You! Yeah, I'm about to take a shower and about to start this day, man. Let's get it. I'm all done, freshened up, and I look good, and I'm ready to head out. Let's go. So yeah, what's up? What's good? How y'all doing? It's my birthday. We go party like it's my birthday, but it's my birthday, so we gonna party because it's my birthday, man. So I got a few things I want to get done today. You know, I have a few goals. Yeah, man, just have fun. I want to have fun with this vlog, but hey, because it's the first time I'm vlogging, it's gonna be weird when people look at me, but so yeah. But I read something that says you only grow when you are in uncomfortable scenarios or situations, you know. You adapt. So yeah. First thing on the list is it's a bit weird, but it's the dance. It's the dance, man. Dance with a stranger, you know. Yeah. And then the second one is pretty simple. It's to sing, you know. You're gonna sing, bruh. We're gonna sing. And then, last but not least, I'm gonna tell you guys the story of why I dropped out of varsity in just about, I think it was 5 months of being there. So yeah, stick around. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, let's get it. Right now I'm just walking around. Hopefully I'm gonna bump into someone. Let's hope I bump into someone and we get that first thing on the list. Check that. I think I found someone. This is gonna be weird, but anyway, let's go. Okay. Nah. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm good. I know this might be really weird. My name is Maydo. I'm making a video. Okay, I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
So it's my birthday today.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you.
How old are you?
I'm turning 19.
Oh, okay.
I probably look like 15, but yeah. So I wanted to get someone to sing with me.
Sing with you?
Yeah, happy birthday song, because nobody sang with me today. Yeah, so I wanted to.
Actually, I'm not a good singer.
I'm also not a good singer, so.
Okay.
So.
What do you want us to sing?
We're gonna sing the happy birthday song. Yeah.
To you.
Happy birthday to you.
You may do.
Happy birthday to you.
Hooray!
Hooray!
They said,
Thanks,
una
man.
ngaki? Una 1. Una ngaki? Una 2. Una ngaki? Una 19.
Thank you, man.
Welcome to
Thank
19 years old.
Thank you.
Okay,
I
sure.
appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thanks, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Sure. Victory is mine. So, yeah, that was fun. That was really fun. Just so yeah, that was really fun actually. Way more fun than I actually thought. Oh my gosh. Yeah, thank you to that guy for making my day. Believe how long I've been walking. I'm failing to find a spot to chill and tell you guys a story, man. But I'm gonna keep moving. We don't give up this side, man. So I'm gonna keep moving and find a spot. Nice little spot. I've actually sat down a couple of times, but the sun was facing the other way, or there was wind, or there was kind of people, so I got kind of shy. But I'm gonna find the right spot, the perfect spot, you know. So yeah, bear with me. Yes, sir. So I was in varsity for about 5 months, and yeah, actually I just went to varsity because that's what everybody does. I didn't really have a plan. Okay, I thought I had a plan. I really thought I had a plan, but then being surrounded by people who actually have plans, like, you know, who have plans on, you know, they want to study, get a degree, then go on to get a whatever, master's or whatever, you know, made me realize how me being there was, in a way, a waste of time and resources, which could be put in a better place, you know. So being in varsity was not really a total waste, you know. I really got to find myself, and yeah, it was a really good journey. I really needed that. Regardless of how it turned out, I realize now that I really needed to be in varsity to actually come to realizations that otherwise I wouldn't have gotten to. And yeah, I'm really glad I did. Yeah, it's really hard now. It is really hard. I got my little bag. It's got something in it, you know. Yeah. I know maybe for some of you guys, it's not a birthday vlog you'd be like expecting. Maybe you'd expect that I'm out at the beach, you know, at a resort somewhere. But yeah, I actually feel like sometimes you just gotta sit and think and make plans for the future, you know. Yeah, actually I feel like I haven't had a chance to think this clearly in a while, so it's a good thing. Have some jelly juices, I think. Number 3. I know maybe some of you are wondering what my plans for the future are, and I'm gonna tell you guys on the next vlog. Yeah, if you guys like this vlog, you should let me know so that I can do more vlogs. But either way, I'm still gonna make another vlog, so yeah. I'm gonna make a trip vlog, so I'm gonna be telling you guys all my plans for the future on that vlog. So be sure to subscribe and turn on that post notifications so you know when I do release the vlog. And yeah, hope you like it. Hope you like this video. So back to my main topic about varsity. So actually, I got to varsity and it was pretty chilled. I met some really nice people, made some really good friends, people that I really appreciate. I like to make a shout out to all of them. It's not a lot, it's like 5. Shout out to Kabza, crazy nigga. Shout out to Kanyo, unit mate, Kat. Shout out to the craziest girl I've ever met in my life. Shout out to Junior. Okay. Shout out to Junior. Shout out to Sabi. My bros. Those are my bros. Really good people I met during my time in varsity. People I won't forget, and people that I hope to meet again someday, somehow, somewhere. And yeah, really good people. I like to give you guys advice. If you're not in varsity, or if you are in varsity, if you're hoping to get into varsity, I really hope that you have a plan about the future. That you know what you want to do. You know what you want to do, and you're planning on working really hard to achieve your goals. Because going to varsity with no plan and just going there for just going, for me, is not a good idea. Really, you should really evaluate yourself and figure out what you like, figure out what you want to be, what you want to do, how you want to impact other people, and hopefully that will help you reach a decision whether you go into varsity, college, or anywhere else. Being at varsity made me feel like I'm in a place where I did not belong. Like it wasn't the place for me. It wasn't where I should be. It wasn't where I was supposed to be. But every challenge in life comes for a reason. So it was supposed to be there for that time period of about 4 months to help me grow, become a better person, and just think about my life and think about where I want to be. And also made me realize that people that are around me, family and friends, are people that continuously want to know what my plans are for the future, what I have planned, how my future is planned out, how I'm doing, and those questions and continuous concern helped me actually realize that when I keep thinking about things, it's actually not about varsity, and it actually helped me realize the two things that I actually believe that are meant for me. I actually believe that they were meant for me. So yeah, you have to be really careful of who you have around you, because those people help you become the person you want to be. So yeah, I know we get that advice a lot of times. You get that advice a lot of times that you are who you hang around. You are who you have around you, and I find that to be pretty true. So make sure you surround yourself with good people who care about you and care about your future. And then yeah. And also, enough with the seriousness. Thank you. There's a spider on my phone. Get off my phone. Anyway, good vibes. Okay, I'm gonna leave you there because I don't want to touch you. You're gonna ruin like my cover and all that. But anyway, thank you to everyone who's wished me a happy birthday. Yeah, thank you very much, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Yeah, I couldn't find someone to dance with. I'ma dance with my sister if she agrees. If she doesn't, then hey, I guess we couldn't find someone to dance with, because the dance part, right, it was already weird to sing with someone, so imagine dancing. Nah. But anyway, we shall wait for day to turn into night, and we shall go out, I think. Hopefully. So I'm gonna take you guys along for the night, for the dinner, or whatever we're having. And yeah, see you guys later. Later, Dan. What? Later, stranger. Peace. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Third person. Let's go. Let's go. And let's go. To my new car. Oh. Wait. Hold on, hold on. This is really